drowning in content data and struggling to make sense of it all? First, connect your data sources in Looker Studio. Click Create, then Report. Choose your data source, such as Google Analytics, Google Search Console, or even a Google Sheet containing your content performance metrics. Next, add charts to visualize your key metrics. Drag and drop different chart types onto the canvas for traffic over time. Use a time series chart for top-performing content. Use a bar chart. A pie chart can show content format distribution. Now, configure each chart. Select your dimensions, like page title or content type, and your metrics, such as page views, bounce rate, and conversions. Add filters to focus on specific segments. You can filter by content category, author, or date range to analyze specific content campaigns or sections of your website. Implement interactive controls to make your report dynamic. Add drop-down lists to select content categories or a date range picker to analyze performance over custom time periods. Finally, customize the style to enhance readability. Choose a color palette, adjust fonts, and add your logo to create a professional and engaging content marketing report. Now you're equipped to track your content, measure engagement, and analyze metrics, all in one place.